Are you planning to edit 4K from a Samsung tablet? In this video, I'm going to share with you a new program that comes into Android system that can change the way we edit 4K. Let's go! Right now, you are in Lumafusion, okay? So this is roughly what you can get. Okay, right now, the one you're gonna get is 3.4. Right now, I'm using it on a Apple iPad Air, and it's basically a few minor changes to the difference between a 3.4 and a 3.0. Right now, I'm using 3.0, but I'll just show you what is available, okay? What can you expect from a Lumafusion 4K video editing, okay? So right now, it's in 4K. Right now, I have a time lapse here, okay? So basically, you can drag it on anything you want. Okay, you can drag it out like that easily. Okay, the playback is instantaneously. Okay, so there's no, you can stop in like that, no problem. Okay, and you move around. There's 8 tracks altogether. Okay, move around like that easily. Okay, there's different type of edit as well. So, but basically you can do anything you want. 6 tracks you can play with. So make a copy. Okay, make a copy. Make a copy. Make another copy. Okay. So basically you have. Let me explain it out. Now that is the key difference. Okay. That's the 3.4, 2.4. I mean, doesn't have this button right here where you can adjust your user interface to suit your needs. Okay. But Lumafusion has this button right here. Okay, so where you can adjust whatever style that suit your needs. Okay, what is it called? Layouts. Okay, different layouts you can play with. If you want the media screen to be more, or you want the classic, this kind of look, you can play with that as well. And also, okay, you can turn to a vertical. Okay, and you can do the same thing. Okay, change it to whatever format. Okay, let's change back to that. Now, but today I want to show you what can you expect from a Lumafusion, a 2.4 version. Basically, it's dropping, okay, no problem. 4K, no problem. Okay, 6 tracks, no problem. And the cut is very easy, it's touch based, okay? So basically you can do an in point, right on the timeline. That's the preview point. Now here you can do, it's a touch base, so you can mark your end point, in point, and out point easily. Okay, we usually swipe up, swipe down. Okay, that's just basics. Okay, what about if you put in an effect? Okay, let's put in an effect. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, that is the effect thing. Okay, so let's put in an anti-green, and we increase the brightness, saturation, contrast a little bit. How about we try to change the dream? Okay, very dreamy there. Okay, saturation way on. Okay, so you know I have made some playback, still normal. Okay, no problem. There's no rendering or anything like that. Okay, not like some software that you use right now. You have to render, right? No, don't have to. Okay, instantaneous. Okay, with Lumafusion. Export out time. Okay, the export is very fast. Okay, depends how long is your timeline. But in 4K, roughly 5 minutes in my experience. 5 minutes timeline, you can expect out to be 2 to 3 minutes maximum around that time to export out that current project. Okay, so very fast, my friend. Once you learn Lumafusion, you will never come back to the other app.